Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix unable to check for update on iPhone. Without wasting any time, let's start it. Solution number 1. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on general. Here click on iPhone storage. Your iPhone storage is full. Free up space. Solution number 2. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on general. Next scroll down and click on shutdown. Turn off your device and turn it on again. Solution number 3. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on general. Click on date and time. Make sure that your date and time is correct. Set automatically turn on and turn off. Solution number 4. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on general. Next scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings. Click on reset all settings. Again click on reset all settings to confirm this process. Solution number 5. Go to settings. Click on Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is turned on. Make sure that your iPhone is connected to internet. If already connected to internet, forget and re-enter passcode. I hope your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.